चलिए आगे बढ़ेंगे और सीधे आपको सदन लिए चलेंगे, जो सदन की कार्रवाई शुरू हो चुकी है। राज्यसभा का रुख करेंगे।
और जैसा कि नड्डा साहब ने कहा कि सभी के ओर से हम आपको ये चाहते हैं कि लंबी आयु आपकी रहे और हंसते हमारे साथ आप रहे। लेकिन आज आपको थोड़ा रेस्ट भी लेना है, क्योंकि कम से कम मैं तो सोचा कि अभी 2-4-6 दिन तो नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन आपका उत्साह और आपका एंथुसियाज्म देखने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये आपकी जो काम करने का तरीका है या जो अपने कर्तव्य निभाने का आपका जो तरीका है, ये बहुत ही लगन से आप कर रहे हैं। इसलिए आपको मैं फिर एक दिवाली की मुबारक देते हुए लंबी आयु हम अपेक्षा करते हुए मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं।
Honorable members, I am greatly touched and concern was expressed that contributed to my speedy recovery. The leader of the House, the leader of the opposition were the first ones to get in touch with my family. Srimati Sonia Gandhi got in touch with my wife, as did the Chief Minister of several states, including West Bengal. That was enlightenment to me that when it comes to a situation, how our hearts are connected. This will be a source of inspiration and enlightenment to me. The Honorable Prime Minister and others visited the hospital that was restricted. Many wanted to come. I express my deep sense of gratitude. I wouldn't like to name those who have shown, because there is hardly anyone who has not shown. Derek O'Brien, irrepressible as usual. When I called him on his birthday, during this period, he said, "Shut up, take rest." I take the items now. Papers to be laid on the table. Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2A in today's list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs.
श्री सतीश चंद्र दुबे।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने कर्म संख्या 2 का ख पर उल्लिखित कागजातों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री संजय सेठ।
With your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy in English, Hindi, each of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2C in today's list of business.
श्री तोखन साहू।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 2 घ पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध कागजातों की एक प्रति हिंदी व अंग्रेजी सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री राजभूषण चौधरी।
सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यव्यवहार की सूची में क्रम संख्या 2E में अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
डॉक्टर एल मुरुगन।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri George Kurian, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 2, class F of today's revised list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Thank you.
Messages from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 12th of March 2025 1. Passed the Oil Fields Regulation and Development Amendment Bill 2025 with some amendments. The bill was passed by the Rajya Sabha on the 3rd December 2024. I lay a copy of the bill as amended on the table. and 2. Adopted the following motion that this House do recommend to Rajya Sabha that the Rajya Sabha do appoint one member of Rajya Sabha to the Joint Committee on the Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2024 and the Union Territories Laws Amendment Bill 2024 in the vacancy caused by the resignation of Shri V. Vijayasai Reddy from Rajya Sabha and communicate to Lok Sabha the name of the member so appointed by the Rajya Sabha to the Joint Committee.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence, Shri Naresh Bansal.
धन्यवाद सभापति जी। आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध रक्षा संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 7वें, 8वें, 9वें और 10वें प्रतिवेदन की हिंदी और अंग्रेजी की एक-एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Respected Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy in Hindi English of the 5th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs, 18th Lok Sabha, on demand for grants for Ministry of External Affairs for the year 2025-26 as listed against my name in today's revised list of business.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment, Srimati Sumitra Balmik.
माननीय महोदय, मैं आज कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 5 पर यथा सूचीबद्ध सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 5वां एवं 6वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण में सभा पटल पर रखती हूं। धन्यवाद।
Motion for election. Shri Ravneet Singh to move a motion for election of one member to the Council of the National Institutes of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I move the following motion that in pursuance of Clause 1 of subsection 2 of Section 28, read with subsection 1 of Section 29 of the National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Act 2021, 19 of 2021, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as directed by the Chairman, one member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of Council of the National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management constitute under the said Act. Thank you.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Honorable members, taking note of the non-availability of some members in the panel, the following honorable members are nominated to the panel of Vice Chair.